If you change your mind on the go and want to replan the route, Komoot offers a feature for this. There are a total of 3 options for replan, and we are now looking at them. Hello, I'm your auto tech instructor. My name is Thomas. I'm your professional for instructions of Komoot, Google Maps, Garmin Basecamp, fitness apps, devices and much more. Fortunately, Komoot has built in an option to replan tours on the go, and that is what this user guide will be about. Replan by removing waypoints, replan by adding waypoints, and automatic replan by the Komoot app. Learn more about the basics of navigating with Komoot in the video in the upper right corner. You can also find the link to this video in my video description. So take notice, no replan without an internet connection. And there are 3 kinds of replanning a route. The first is automatic replan. I will show you here an auto replan from Komoot. If you miss your track and you are leaving the track, you get a notice from Komoot, and Komoot tries to replan the route if you have a plannable path next to your position. But we have disabled because we will replan manually. And there are 2 kinds to plan a route manually. The first one is to remove existing waypoints. And we will take here waypoint 1 and we will remove it from the planned route. I touch it and then I push remove, and you can see can't route, no internet connection. So now I will turn on my internet connection. Try again with an internet connection. I push remove on waypoint 1. I remove the waypoint, and you can see here Komoot has now replanned the route with an internet connection, and I got a new route. Let's go and we will have a look at the second kind or the third kind of replan in a few seconds. Now here is the second kind of manual replanning. Now we want to add a new waypoint to replan the route, and I will push here to the map and add this point to the route, and you can see Komoot has now replanned my route with a new waypoint, and this is the second kind of manual replanning. If you did something wrong, remember, use the first kind of replanning, remove it, and Komoot will replan your route. I'll add it again. Here, add to route. It works very well. Now I have a replanned route. Short break. You can see I missed the track. I leave the planned tour, and I will show you how automatic planning or replan auto replan works. Now I will enable replan, and Komoot should now replan my route, but it doesn't make me, maybe it's too close, I don't know. Let's have a look. Does it? No, it doesn't. Here is too close. I'm moving ahead to the route. I was leaving the route, but now I moving ahead to the road, to the planet route. Now you can see here is the replan. So now Komoot switched the route to the plannable path here, and I have an auto replan. Hopefully this user guide has given you a lot of new knowledge. You can now replan your tours as you wish in the future. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up and recommend me to others. I'm Thomas, your outdoor tech instructor.